would mean that this is Abby. Nap time is one of Mom's favorite times of day. They're both finally sleeping. There's no fussing. Anna, say hi.
Hi.
Wave. Look right into the camera. Who's the best?
Mama.
Who's your favorite?
Daddy.
Is Santa Claus coming to your house? Yeah, what's he going to bring you?
A Barbie.
Are you absolutely positively sure?
Yeah.
And what makes you think Santa's going to bring you a Barbie? Stand still. What makes you think Santa's going to bring you a Barbie? Anna, answer me. What do you have? Let me see. What is it?
A cookie.
A cookie. Is it good? Mmm. Amber, is Santa Claus going to come to your house? Are you sure? And what do you think he's going to bring you?
I think he's going to bring me glitterator and socks and stuff. Really, I would like all the kinds of Barbies and baby dolls and stuff like that, and all kinds of glitterators.
And why do you want Barbies?
Because they're so much special to play with.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you play with them today?
Yeah.
And what happened?
Mom got mad at me.
Why?
Because she told us to pick them up, and we didn't pick them up.
You didn't.
Yeah.
Did you finally pick them up?
Yeah.
What did she do?
She spanked us.
Did I spank you? I think I got mad, didn't I?
Yeah.
I didn't spank you.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, sir.
No, ma'am. Anna, did I spank you? No. But did I get mad at you? Yes, why? Did you break a promise? Are you supposed to break promises? No, that's right. How many more days before Christmas?
3.
3. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday is?
On Christmas Day.
And who are you going to open presents at? Whose house?
Grandma.
On Sunday night? And whose house are you going to open them at Christmas morning?
Our house.
I love you.
Yes.
I love you, Amber. Wave. Blow me kisses. Are you beating her up? Amy.
Meetings by staff throughout the week have resulted in agreements on nearly $40 billion in cuts, such areas as civil service benefits, banking, veterans, and energy programs. But the main sticking points remain: what to do about cutting Medicare and Medicaid and the size of the tax cuts.
Mr. Speaker, I'm not supposed to say. Secretary, I've been directed by the Senate to reform the House.
What's going on?
HJ Res 134, a joint resolution making further continuing appropriations for fiscal year 1996.
So if anyone was hoping for a miracle this holiday week, they can just keep hoping. Look at the Christmas 95 and remember for the continuance of the partial government shutdown. Regina Blakely, CBS News.
This thing came off. Mom, this.
Well, it was $18.
There's Vernon and Jill's Christmas tree. I think it's got the there's the girls putting candy canes on the tree. 1995, huh, girls? And here's two other girls watching. Woo!
Oh, Anna, they're beautiful.
Those are ones that Grandma brought.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Don't break it.
well, that's all right. Oh, Santa Claus is coming to town, Anna?
Oh my gosh! He's checking to see if you're naughty or nice.
Anna, what is that? Anna, what is that noise? Anna, what is it? You're kidding. Don't tell me he's checking you
There's
out.
Santa Claus. Where you going, Anna?
Where you going? Why? He won't get you. He's just seeing if you're naughty or nice.
See?
He's checking you out, Amber. Look, he shook his finger at you.
He wants to see how we've been doing. Is he
Well-
still there or is he gone?
Oh, I think he's peeking in the door, Dad.
There he goes.
Say bye, Sandy. See ya later.
Bye.
Bring me toys.
Oh, he's gone. Boy, that didn't take long.
What? Oh, I heard him.
Oh, he's... Bye. He's gone now.
Go look out the back door. See if you can see his sleigh and its reindeer.
Maybe he's out here.
Anna, what do you think? Did you want to give Santa Claus a hug?
Dad, raise her up. She wants to look.
Let's blow.
Here, let's turn the light on.
That's okay. You can eat that one.
You out there? Here, up you go. I don't see no tracks. I bet you they landed on the roof. You suppose? That's the way he usually comes, you know.
Boy, I seen him once when I was a little girl, too.
Yeah, he's probably landed them up on the roof of the garage over here.
He shook his finger. That means that they've been bad, right, Dad?
I'm not sure what that means.
He was shaking his finger saying naughty girls.
Amber, what do you think? Why do you think Santa Claus was checking on you?
Because we've been good.
Well, there you go.
I don't think so.
You go. What about you, Anna? Why do you think Santa was coming to your house of all houses to check on you? Huh, Anna?
Hi, Joe. Good. I thought you'd be gone by now. Aren't you taking off for the holiday?
Johnny wants this off. You just move the dial.
Yeah, turn the dial towards the window.